After years of whispers and wild concepts, Samsung's highly anticipated tri-fold smartphone is finally looking like more than a tech fever dream, and the latest leak suggests it might just be the company's most futuristic device ever made. Hey GadInsiders, welcome to your hub of the latest tech news. Fresh images from reliable tipster Tech Heist are giving us our clearest look at the Galaxy Z Tri-Fold, a device with 2 hinges, 3 screens, and a whole lot of innovation. The most impressive thing is the smoothest software transitions. Apps appear to carry over effortlessly from the outer screen to the massive inner display, and floating windows suggest a powerful multitasking experience that could blur the lines between phone and tablet, or even laptop. This isn't just a new form factor, but a potential game changer. The animations hint at a sleek design that will fold inside, and despite the complex hardware, the user interface looks fluid and polished thanks to Samsung's years of foldable experiments. But that's not all. One jaw-dropping graphic shows digital zoom up to 100x, putting this phone in the same photographic league as the Galaxy S25 Ultra, possibly even sharing its 200-megapixel main sensor. That would be a massive leap for Samsung's foldables, which were always behind in camera performance. Even Samsung DeX and Galaxy AI are getting folded into the mix, literally with clever animations hinting these features for the best tri-screen experience. Rumors suggest it could be out as early as next week, but only for China and South Korea for now. Still, it's happening. The Galaxy Z Tri-Fold is real, and it might just change what we expect from a smartphone. Are you waiting for a foldable phone that just not folds once, but twice? Comment down below, hit that like button, and subscribe to GadInsider. Don't forget to press the bell icon so you never miss any update.